Hey guys, Robert here. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. This is I Flip Real Estate. We're gonna do a little demolition session today in this small kitchen that we have. This is on a got the little guy here who wants to help out. So yes, this is a mother-in-law kitchen, so we're gonna rip this out and put a new kitchen. Today we're gonna demo. Something I like to point out is that when you're, demolishing a kitchen, you definitely want to, obviously you disconnect the sink first. You don't just go smashing things apart. You check for any screws that you can unscrew, because the less damage that you do to the walls, the better. So without any further ado, I'm gonna start ripping through here. I got a little old bathroom wall, bathroom closet on the other side of this wall that prevents this from being even and makes this kind of an odd space. So I'm gonna rip this apart and try to open it up and make this one long strip of kitchen countertop and cabinets here, which I'll probably have to, in that case, replace some of this flooring, at least in this kitchen, because I'm gonna damage the flooring right there. So we probably don't have the matching tile. So that will be one thing that we gotta deal with. Definitely just making the layout a little bit more modern and practical. So first I'm gonna start by checking this wall to see what's behind it. If we decide we needed to keep that wall, you can just patch it, that's fine. But we want to see what's behind it. We put a hole in it. There's actually just another piece of drywall there, so that'll give me a little more space, but that's the back of the other closet. So definitely gonna hold off on that for a minute, but I am gonna rip out this counter and this cabinet. These countertops, just give it a little slap. Pop right out, like that. Dumpster up front. So now you have a lot of studs here. This looks like almost like a homemade cabinet, and then someone just put a cabinet door on there. I don't think this is factory. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm just gonna sledgehammer it up. Mini sledgehammer always comes in useful. It's like, I call this Thor's hammer. You can definitely knock off this door. Like I said, probably gonna cut this wall out. There is electrical on this wall, so we have to be very careful with that. Here we go. All you need is the hammer, screw gun, and a crowbar or pry bar. Do it as gently as possible. It's always fun to smash stuff. take out the sink. So first what I did was I shut off these stops, make sure the water's off, and then what you want to do, because stops can leak, old stops can leak, so you want to take them off slow to make sure you don't have like a stop problem and, you know, water going everywhere. So you want to just get a good grip on these here, adjust your wrench. And I'll slowly, you're gonna get some water that's gonna drip out when you remove it. Like I said, you want to make sure that the stops are okay, because it might have leaky stops. And if that's the case, then you would either shut the water off at the front of the house, have the water shut off. In this case, it's people living here, so I'm not gonna be able to do that. What I'm gonna have to do is put it back. Get the plumber over here. So, look like we're having success so far. Don't see any running water now. So this stop is giving a little bit of water here. Just turn it a little tighter. Make sure I don't see any more additional drips, which I do. So might have to. So we got a bad stop here, guys. Just a little more. Can always put a bucket there too. You know, I guess in this case I could always hook the faucet back up after I rip the kitchen out. Just put a bucket there for now, because I'm about to rip up this kitchen anyway. So you just gotta be real careful around these pipes. And then to remove the drain, you just simply, either one of these. So you just kinda, you know, loosen this up, and then get rid of the sink. That loosens that. Freeze that from there. Or you can unscrew it right here at the base. Just unscrew both of them. Definitely gonna want a bucket when you're taking that off, because you're gonna get goop that comes out. So that's what, screw that, or this one here, this neck, and then pop this right out. This will pop right out, or right here. Either one of these will pop out. So probably better to do that one. That way there, yeah, you can get rid of all this plumbing with it. So, you know, you always, because you're gonna get all new pipes when you. So let's take off the other stop, and then we'll get to prying the sink out. All right, got that part off. Got a barrel, started throwing away the old tile countertop. Now to get this cabinet out, there's some screws here. I'm gonna use my screw gun and take the screws out so we don't damage, you know, walls, and there's pipes and wire. You just don't want to go smashing the sink bases apart. You know, wall unit's a little different, but this one I'm probably gonna have to smash off, because I can't get the screws are so painted in there, so they're like impossible to get a bit into right now. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Plus I gotta rip all this tile off of the wall, which is a lot of fun. All right, guys, so take these screws out. like a custom built cabinet, so if I can get it off the wall, then I'll just smash it apart. So what I'm going to do is just pull on it. With enough pressure, it should. That's a beautiful thing. As you can see, there you go. Ripping all that good stuff apart. Booyah. Alright. Boom. Alright guys. So we're gonna get the bottom base of the cabinet out from around the plumbing, so without damaging the plumbing. So what you want to do is take your saws out, and then you want to cut, just open up the hole so you're not touching the pipes. Pry bar. It's right here. Well, this tile here, so it makes it hard to pry it. So let's just take this out first. This is some old stuff. Face off. This will just pull right out. Oh, not. We're not. We're not. Now you can just kind of wiggle these, pop these shells off. See, I've opened up this wall, I've removed all the tile, I've removed all the cabinets. A couple little things I want to point out, some knowledge that I've gone over the years. that cabinet did fall and it broke that pipe right there. And then I ripped all this out, and the two surprises that I came up with was there was a duct up here. I didn't realize, I didn't thoroughly look through. I didn't think there was ductwork. I thought it was more coming out of the other area. But so I ran into some unexpected ductwork that we'll have to deal with and figure out what we're gonna do with that and take some measurements. And then I ran into some black mold. So we ripped out a lot of that. We're gonna rip out the rest of it right there. And then when I came into this wall here, I realized that I had these small little tiles, these little linoleum looking tiles. But whenever you see small tiles like that, I don't know specifically if those are, but I don't want to take any chances. I've been told that those small old tiles have asbestos in them, which is very deadly to the human body. So you don't want to disturb that, and you want to have a professional if you ever try to remove that. I've dealt with that before, and I had to hire a professional company. So yeah, guys, so we're cleaned it out. Now we got to get our subs in here, check out what's going on, you know, design a plan, what we're gonna do, take some measurements, see what cabinets we can fit in here, clean all this up here. We still work on removing this wall. I just saw some double studs in here. I'm pretty sure it's not load bearing, but I do want to just double check on that. I think it's fine. It seems like it's kind of loose, but yeah, guys. So this is my demo video. Just a little breakdown of some things to watch out for and some things to be careful of when you're demoing a kitchen, because they can turn around and bite you, and then you always get surprises. So it's better to be careful, and especially when you're dealing with electrical and plumbing and working around things of that nature. So be safe, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hey guys, so yeah, hope you enjoyed that demolition video. I got more videos to come. Like you said, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and stay tuned. I have the multiple offers video coming out right now. Just finished that. We're doing the walkthrough on the auction property. Just kind of do a rehab evaluation, and check out all the other videos that I've already uploaded, guys. Hope you enjoy. I just put my first flip walkthroughs on there from 5 years ago. So I got stage 1 when it was just getting started, stage 2 when it was midway through, and then the final stage is when we're getting ready to list it. So yeah, guys, also follow me on Instagram. That's instagram.com/therealrobertlunt. All right, guys, have a great day.